I'm gonna show you how to use ChatGPT to come up with some design ideas. So let's go to ChatGPT. So I'm just type in, I need help coming up with an album cover idea. Let's put hip hop. And you can put in the overall theme. Say, what requests do I get a lot? Something with guns and money. The theme is mainly about guns and money. And the other thing is I like to blend. So I like to take an idea from a movie and maybe a video game and kind of mesh it and make it like a hip hop theme, right? So let's say I need help coming up with a hip hop album cover idea. The theme is mainly about guns and money. Maybe I'd probably just change that, but I'm gonna use that for now. I'm gonna see. Guns and money. I like you to blend a say popular movie and video game together. Give me 10 ideas. Did I spell that wrong? Let's see what it comes up with. Scarface, Grand Theft Auto. A neon-soaked city skyline in the background with a protagonist silhouette holding a duffel bag of cash in one hand and a gold-plated pistol in the other. So I think it's pretty good already. Let me see. The typography is a bold, Miami-inspired. Scarface and Vice City. And that one, I could do something with that. Let's see. The Godfather, Mafia. A moody black and white aesthetic with the artist sitting on a leather throne holding a Tommy gun. Casually across his lap, stack of cash and poker chips scattered around their feet. That's another good idea. Mad Max. That's different. Call of Duty. Let me see what it says about that. A desert wasteland background with heavily armored vehicle. The artist stands front and center with the modified rifle and cash flying in the dust. Maybe. Training Day. That's a good movie. Payday 2. A gritty urban cityscape with the artist wearing a menacing mask. I think that's dope. Holding a smoking pistol in one hand and a bag overflowing with cash in the other. These are already some dope ideas. Let's see, Pulp Fiction, Cyberpunk. I like Cyberpunk. A vibrant neon lit alleyway. I like using alleyway. Setting. The artist is wearing a futuristic trench coat. So I don't know because I'm thinking if any of my client would want to be in a futuristic trench coat. Probably not. Maybe. Never know though. Holding a glowing pistol while leaning against a graffiti-covered wall plastered with dollar bills. I would start asking ChatGPT to generate some of this. Let me see. Finish all of it. The Dark Knight Hitman concept: a shadowy city skyline with the artist in a tailored suit standing on a skyscraper ledge. I like the ledge, like on top of the building scene. I did something like that. In one hand is a silenced pistol, and the other a briefcase leaking dollar bills. I think that would be dope. Goodfellas and Red Dead Redemption. A sepia tone. Hopefully I said that right. Western vibe. I don't know if my client would. No, I take that back. I think I did a Western one before. The artist is depicted as a outlaw sitting at a poker table with stack of cash, a revolver, and a cigar smoldering. Kill Bill. Let's see. Kill Bill and Borderlands. A comic book inspired style. I can't even read. A comic book inspired style featuring the artist in a yellow tracksuit. Yeah, I don't know if anybody want to wear a tracksuit. Dual welding oversized sci-fi inspired gun with the pile of cash at their feet. Grand Theft Auto 5. A high-stake heist scene frozen in time. Explosion in the background, the artist mid-stride, wearing a ski mask and holding a briefcase of cash in one hand and a semi-automatic weapon in the other. I think that one will be dope too. Let me see, which one do I like the most? Let's try, let me see. Create a mock-up for number 1. Let's see what it comes up with. No, I didn't think it was gonna look like that. See, I like the idea right here. Neon soaked city skyline in the background with it, because this one is more. It's more like vector. I wanted something more. I guess. Let me see. All right. Let me see. Create a mock-up for which one? Let's try number 2. I wasn't able to do because it violates our content. That's whack. That's the only thing I don't like about ChatGPT when you ask it to generate these type of images. Sometimes it won't do it. But I think Midjourney is cool with it. All right. So can you do number 3? Can you do number 3? All right. Again, come on, ChatGPT. All right, let's try number 5. Can you do number 5? $5, but number 5. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. Let me see, number 5, training day. Pay the concept video. All right, let's try another one. Let's try number 10. Good. Telling you that you're doing a good job. Let's put, I like it. So hopefully it knows that I like this type of image. Now do number 10. Not bad. Kind of, the briefcase is kind of, I don't know the way he's holding it, but it's good to, for it to give us an idea. You've reached your limit. I got to get the plus. So I really like this one. This one, the way it generated, I like that. So yeah, if you need some help coming up with some ideas, use ChatGPT. So yeah, let me know in the comments what you think. Let me know how you guys come up with your ideas, and I'm gonna see you guys next time.